Hi friends, it's Miss Triwa. Happy Tuesday. So we're still working on our 11 times table. We're still going to do some multiples of 11, but I also want to show you some multiplication problems today, get you a little familiar with them before we really start them tomorrow. So let's get started. Okay, so remember, when we skip count by a number or we find the multiples of a number, we always start with that same number. So in this case, we're working with the number 11. So we're going to start with the number 11. So I want everybody to count with me. So ready? 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. So friends, these are some multiples of 11. These are numbers that you will get as your answer when you multiply 11 by another number. So let's do it one more time. So 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, and that's it. So now we can actually multiply. Now we've been using a lot of different methods, and I told you a trick for last week when you do your tens times table. All you have to do is take your other number and add a 0. Well, there's a trick for the 11 times table also, friends, which is super exciting. So if you take your any number times 11, you just double that other number. So in this case, we're doing 5 times 11. I'm going to take my other number, so 5, and double it. So 5 times 11 equals 55. Well, let's see if that's right, because maybe you don't believe me. Maybe you think that's too easy, Miss Drywa. So let's see. I'm going to make 5 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And I'm going to skip count by 11 on my group. So 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. And if you notice, friends, we got the same answer, 55, 55, but these are all doubles also. Look, 11 is 1, 1, 22 is 2, 2, 33 is 3, 3, 44 is 4, 4, 55 is 5, 5. Same thing if we skip counted on our touch points. So I'm going to skip count by 11 5 times my 5 touch points. So 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. That's it, friends. It's easy peasy. This number times 11, your answer will be this number doubled. So I could put a 6 there, I get 66 because that's 2 6s. I could put a 9 there, I'm going to get 99 because that's 2 9s. So the same thing, let me clear this, if we go to this way. Now, it's the same thing, friends. So I have 11 times 2. So I know my other number is 2, so I'm going to have 2 doubles. 2 2s, I'm going to have doubles 22. But I just want to show you another way, just in case you think I'm still trying to trick you somehow. So, if I do it the 2 digits by 1, I'm going to start with my ones place. So I do 1 times 2. And we know that 1 times any number is that same number. So 1 times 2 is going to be 2. So now I'm done with my ones place, and now I can go to my tens place. And I have 1 times 2 again. Again, we know 1 times any number is that same number. So 1 times 2 is going to equal 2. Just like I told you, just double the other number. 11 times 2 equals 22. Easy peasy, friends. So I want to go back and review our multiples of 11 because that's what we're going to focus on today. So we're going to say it one more time, and then you can work on your worksheet. And then tomorrow we'll really focus on multiplication. Okay, so 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, and 99. All right, friends, so awesome job. Easy peasy. Remember, doubles. That's all we're doing here with 11 is doubles. Have a great day. Bye.